So, Amy, what's going on with your addiction study?
Sadly, I'm no longer associated with that project.
Why? What happened?
Typical bureaucratic nonsense. You can get animals addicted to a harmful substance, you can dissect their brains, but you throw their own feces back at them and suddenly you're unprofessional.
I'm sorry that I asked.
All right, let's get this stupid play over with.
Hang on. Empty your pockets.
Why?
You know why. The Nintendo DS. And the PSP. Now the Game Boy.
Oh, for Pete's sake. Can we go now?
Is that all of it? Just set it down.
Just so you know, this is not a stupid play. Streetcar Named Desire is an American classic.
It's about streetcars. Oh, great. I won't need this.
You love her very much, don't you?
Yes.
I think you have great capacity for devotion. You'll be lonely when she passes on, won't you? I understand what that is.
To be lonely? She's pretty good, huh?
I love
She
someone too.
is.
The person I
But
love
when
the
did they
most.
get to the part about streetcars?
When I was a very young girl. When I was 16 years old, I made the discovery. Love. All at once, much, much too completely. It was like you suddenly turned a blinding light on something that had always been half a shadow. That's how it struck the world for me. But I was unlucky, deluded.
She's remarkable. She really is. Our Penny's a star. How can she remember all those lines? But as a waitress, she can't remember no tomato on my hamburger.